Okay, so most of you participants, you belong to a table, right? Okay, so our game is called Bring Me to Jerusalem. Okay, we mix the Bring Me game and Trip to Jerusalem. So the mechanics will be this. Gentlemen, ladies, maayo ko ang item. I'll be asking for an item. Okay? Once I say go, you run to your table or to your friends or to whoever to get that particular item. Once you get it, come back here. Okay? Now, once you run, we will get one chair. Okay? So, dili siya inyong paunhanay. Ayaw ng palast. Okay? Ano lang ka-simple. Kung hindi lang gini mauna, ayaw lang yung palas because we're taking away a chair. Okay? Gets that? This means everybody's participation, huh? Because the items, it might be your item that you're holding or your whatever. Okay? So, nasabtan lang? Nasabtan lang? Okay, very good. Okay, nasabtan lang? Nasabtan lang? Alright. Are you ready? Okay. You can actually help them. Okay? For the first item, it's either you can go to your friend or to your table mate or depende lang. It's up to you guys. Okay? Alright, here we go. The first item. Bring me an iPhone. Go! iPhone. Sit down, sit down. Once you get the iPhone, sit down. Once you get the iPhone, sit down. One more. We need one more. One more, one more. Okay. Alright. Sige. Raise those iPhones just to check. I-check natin kung iPhone. iPhone, ha? iPhone. Wow, daming iPhone na mga guests. Alright. Thank you very much. Okay. Iulit sa dami. One more. Tama? Wala na? Wala na yun?
Hello, Jen.
This is ID. Go! Once you get it, sit down. Once you get the ID, sit down. Once you get the ID, go around, I'm sure. Sit down if you have it. Sit down if you have it. Okay. Share your IDs. Okay. Sit down. Okay, tuyok. Butas ka ba? Sumisa. Okay. Alright, two more. Okay. Yes, ba? Diba? Okay, so you're both from Cebu?
Yes.
Okay, asa na sa Cebu?
Cebu City.
Cebu City. And you?
Mandaue City.
Mandaue City. This is a battle between Mandaue and Cebu City. Okay. For the final round, it's not an item. It's not a bring me, but show me. Okay, show me for the final item. Show me a selfie with the couple. Go! Go! Okay, blurred pa kayo. Blurred pa yun. Okay, blurred. Alright, congratulations to our couple. To our winner, 1,000 pesos.